again to another episode of Fussels TV, and you wouldn't believe it. Look who we've got here again. Me and the Melican again. John Melican, how are you?
I'm good. And we're looking somewhere today. Well, I've got my shorts on.
Would you remember the first episode we did? It was snowing outside.
Lightning outside.
Lightning or snowing? I think it was snowing or lightning.
It was both.
Anyway, both. So, there's one clap for you. That's what I like. Today, Matthew, John, we are going to be doing a mackerel pate.
We are.
Is that right?
It's really simple. Summer's out, so there's some salads going on. And as I said before, you know, we have something quite light. You can have, you should come in, like some salady things going on.
Okay, so I think we've got a mackerel pate. You're going to use some shallots, some cornichons, some cream cheese, and we've got a bit of a beetroot salad going on.
Yeah, just something very light, you know. That's exactly what. Using your products, we're going to use this one today as well, Timothy.
Right, we're going to use some beer and horseradish.
Yeah.
We're going to use the oil clearly, but
yeah.
we use that in almost everything we do.
We do, exactly.
We've got some garlic oil there. We might need to replenish that one, and looks like you've got some.
There's enough.
There's enough there.
There's enough.
So just to remind you, before we get going, because I know you've already done a little bit of prep, just to remind you all of those products are available at www.fusselsfinefoods.co.uk, and of course, Mr. Melican's website is www.johnnysdairyicecream.com, and all of those details will be up on the screen as well. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, brilliant. Okay, so what are we going to get today?
What am I going to do?
Chop some beetroot, yeah.
Chop some beetroot.
Yeah, keep it nice and rough, just so it's kind of, you can get something in your mouth.
So cubes?
Yeah, centimetre dice would be great.
Centimetre dice.
Okay.
Right.
So,
okay.
And then while you're doing that, I'm going to get the mackerel out. So mackerel, quite simple. Nice mackerel, local as well.
Yeah.
And basically all we're going to do is get the skin off these, use a nice bit of cream cheese, and we're going to use your lovely dressing as well. Combine it all together, chop some cornichons, and we have a nice pate. So
I can't wait.
Yeah, and it's something very easy today, yeah? Very, very easy. Yeah. So, yeah, do you like a bit of mackerel?
I love a bit of mackerel. I've been eating, do you know what? I've been eating a lot of smoked mackerel lately.
Yeah.
Because I've been on a little bit of a boot camp.
Yeah.
And I've been trying to cut out a lot of starchy.
I can tell actually, Tim.
You can tell that?
Yeah, I can actually. Yeah. I thought you had actually. I mean, a lot of people said to me we should wear the baggy shirt, but I actually feel
a lot of people said to me that decided to wear it. So,
brilliant.
So I've been eating a lot of mackerel.
Yeah.
And I do like a nice bit of smoked mackerel.
Yeah, absolutely.
And I love a bit of mackerel pate. So I'm looking forward to this.
So what I'm doing here now, Tim, right, I'm just going to literally blitz this mackerel open into a nice puree, yeah? I've chopped some parsley, I've got some cornichons. Do you like cornichons?
I do like it.
They're like a little pickle like this.
Yeah.
And I'm just going to get it all ready first, and then I'm just going to bind all this at the end so it gives it a bit of texture and a bit of crunch, yeah? And also a little bit of shallot as well, alright?
Okay.
So I'm going to get all this prepped up first.
So how am I doing with the beetroot there? Do I need a
So what we're going to do now, we're going to get a bit of rapeseed oil in here. I put this pan on, it's on quite warm, yeah? And what we're going to do is just put this beetroot in here now.
You're going to put the beetroot, is that enough?
Yeah,
or do you
straight
want
in, all in, that's it, yeah. All in there, yeah? You won't get like a sizzle, well, maybe we can get a sizzle actually. We don't want too much of a sizzle though, because we just want to get it warm through, you know? And in here, we're just going to put a little bit of vinegar to pickle it up, which would be quite nice, yeah? A little bit of pickle. And then a little bit of watercress, but we'll put that in at the end actually, yeah? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring this over here.
Careful, you haven't got much room on the flex there.
That's fine, yeah. So what I've done is got the mackerel in here, picked it all out, okay? Now mackerel's got a lot of, got quite a few bones in there, all that kind of thing. But if you blitz it down enough, it'll be fine.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. Obviously, if it was fresh mackerel, obviously I'd suggest get the bones out. But they've been cooked, so they will get blitzed down. So all I'm going to do is blitz and blitz and blitz, yeah? So you go into a nice puree. Okay, or paste even, sorry. Alright?
Okay, do we add anything in there, or is it?
I want to, basically, what I want to do is I've got to add cream cheese. If I blitz it down too much, it's going to split. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is put the mackerel in there now, blitz it down to a nice paste.
Okay.
Alright, so we'll do that. So we've done that now, so as you can see.
Let's have a look at that. Alright,
nice,
so let's
yeah.
go on right down.
So it's going to a really good paste, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put some of this in here.
So we're going to put some Fussels beer and
Yeah,
horseradish
I've put
sauce.
2 mackerels, so I'm going to put 2 of these in here, yeah? So you want a really good taste, yeah? Of this. Okay, 2 of that. Okay, a little bit of lemon juice.
A little bit of lemon juice always comes in handy.
Yeah. It gives it the acidity, you know?
Yeah.
Gives it the acidity, yeah. So.
And we squeeze that. Look at that.
Yeah, everywhere.
Everywhere.
Fresh lemons, yeah. So.
And how's this doing? Do we need that up a bit?
Yeah, I think we should give it a bit more. Give it a bit more go.
Right,
Do we just turn that up?
Yeah.
Timothy? Great. So we'll blitz this again, yeah. So now you can see we've got more and more of a paste, yeah.
Yeah.
And then, very simply, we're going to get all this cream cheese in here, which is a small tub, and it's about 200 grams. Yeah, all this will go in here. Yeah, easy, yeah. Yeah, so now all that's going in there. Now at this point now, we want to taste it all.
I don't have a problem with the...
That's fine, that's great. So, actually, Tim, it's great. Now, if you want to like a little bit more heat in your horseradish, yeah,
okay,
in your pate, add a little bit of horseradish, yeah.
Okay.
A bit more fresh.
So,
okay.
Have you had a little taste of that already?
Yes, I have.
So
yeah.
why haven't I had a little taste of that?
Just go to the side there.
Just go to the side there.
Yeah.
Have a little taste of that. Oh.
Yeah, love it. Yeah. I like a little bit more heat. Got the beetroot going on in there, yeah. So we take that off in there, and then now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to literally put this into a bowl. Just want to get me a bowl, please, Timothy.
A bowl. I've got one here. A bowl like this one.
Yeah, perfect. Actually, yeah. So what we're going to do is just put some of this in
Okay,
here.
now we're frying away there.
Lovely. So, put this in here. And then what we're going to do is just put a little bit of this in here. There's quite a lot here. So obviously, you can put it back in the fridge. You might have
Yep.
Lovely. So what we're going to do now is put the cornichons in here.
Right, so what have we got here, John?
We've got the cornichons and the parsley.
And the parsley.
And we'll mix all this two together.
Yeah.
Yeah, very, very simple. Yeah. And then beetroot's now sizzling away. Yeah. Which is great. So now we'll mix all this up. Yeah. Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we've got our cream cheese, we've got our horseradish, we've got our parsley, we've got our cornichons, everything's been blended through, we've mixed in the parsley and the cornichons there. Next stage.
So now, we're going to get these shallots now that are peeled down, cut these down, nice beetroot salad. So it's very simple. Lovely. So I've peeled some shallots here. And what we'll do, if you're trying to pass that plate over here to
this one here?
Yeah. Yeah. And what we'll do, put this on here.
You're going to bang those in with the...
Yeah. Them. Now the best thing is it's quite peppery. The beetroot's obviously quite peppery as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what we'll do is we'll get some watercress in here.
In the pan?
Yeah, in the pan. It'll just wilt it down a little bit, yeah?
Yeah.
And then, and as I said before, it's like a little salad you can have. So you've got the beetroot, you've got the watercress, lovely and green.
And the shallots, everything.
Yeah.
So all we've done is we've just put them in. The residual heat from the pan has just wilted the watercress very slightly.
Exactly, yeah. So it's very simple, yeah. Yeah, and then that's it, yeah. And then I've got some of these little biscuit things here. Which is quite nice with this as well. I'll put this over here.
Yeah, bang that.
What we're going to do.
So what else have we got?
Then we just have this with a little bit of mackerel pate. Yeah, nice. So have a little bit of that. And then we've got the little cheese biscuits as well to go with it. So
what are you going to do with these? I'm going to quite interested to
have one of these.
Have one of those. Right,
just crack on. Nice cheese salad. So then here we go. Nice little salad for the summer, out in the garden, a little barbecue.
Right, now before we get stuck into that.
Oh yeah, sorry. Yeah?
I'm just going to say, we've got some watercress, we've got some beetroot, we've got some shallot, and we've made our smoked mackerel pate in the blender with some cream cheese and some beer and horseradish sauce. Now, let's get stuck in and see how that
Love it.
tastes.
I've got a bit more horseradish in it, Tim.
Yeah.
What your dressing is enough, but I like a bit of heat in mine.
Now, what you've managed to do there, I've got the horseradish.
Yeah?
It's lovely, the horseradish. But also you've got the crunchiness of the shallots and the beetroot and the watercress all there brings those flavours together beautifully.
Exactly, yeah.
So before we get stuck in there, we're going to round that one up. That's a very, very quick dish. Very, very nice, beautiful. Just before we finish, I'm going to tell you that we've got another one of our very, very successful Blooming Fussels tours coming up next week. And this one's going to be an evening one on Thursday the 24th of May between 6 and 8 p.m. Go on over to our Facebook page or our website to see the details of that. Okay, this recipe will follow on the website in the not too distant future, and we will get that up there so you can see exactly how to make this dish, which I have to say is gorgeous, absolutely lovely. All right, so just remember, on all of the stuff you see, anything you see on Facebook, or if you see this on YouTube as well, please like and share. Any of your comments would be very, very welcome, and if you would like as well, we'd love you to leave a review on Google. So that's all from me and the American.
Fantastic.
So now,
Very
thanks very much,
easy
John, and we'll see you later.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.